Hello mga be! Welcome back to my simple cooking video. Today I'm gonna show you how I make this kabsa. Here are the ingredients. In a bowl, I throw crushed garlic, a spoon each of salt, pepper, turmeric, coriander, cumin, paprika, and I add a little bit of olive oil and molasses. And then I will just mix the spices until it's well combined and rub it into the chicken. For the rice, I'm just gonna saute an onion, a little bit of oil and ghee, and then I will just cook it until it's soft and golden brown. And then I will add cinnamon stick and bay leaves. Cook it through, and then I'm gonna add a saffron mixture with water. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of raisins. And I also add shredded carrot. Add some salt and pepper to taste. And cook it for 1 minute. And for the rice, I boil water and throw some green chili, dried black lemon, and cinnamon stick. I add salt and a little bit of oil. And when it's almost cooked, I strain it. And then, I'm gonna layer the rice into the carrots. Cover it and cook it for 10 minutes in a low heat. And then mix it together. And voila! It's done.